Welcome everybody, Wild Isolation Day 6, and the trail cam caught the hedgehog last night, just a couple of times, just some short clips, but I'll put them up now. We were out and about in the garden feeding on some hedgehog food that we left out for him last night. We've just had a visit from a robin for the first time since I started doing these little vlogs. I think it had been watching from afar and now wanted to get in on the action, as you can see from this bit of footage. Got a cameraman in the making. For today, I'm just going to keep it nice and simple because I've just had an absolutely delightful few minutes watching the birds bath, and it's just so enjoyable to watch. I just want to share it with you. So here we go. Enjoy this. Again, no idea what I'm going to do tomorrow. I think it's better just to get up without an idea in your head and go with the flow on the day, because wildlife's not predictable. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a good evening. Stay safe. See ya.